Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do Unit 5 Set and Functions. Book name Punjab Text Board. Punjab Text Board. Exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. If x set prime number less than or equal to 17 and set of first 12 natural numbers, then find the following: x union y, y union x, z intersection y, y intersection x. Solution: x equal 2 3 5 7 11 13 17, y equal 1 2 3 4 and 12 तक बेटा. x union y 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 prime numbers, 1 2 3 4 natural number 12 तक. 1 2 3 4 to 12 13 17 is x union y. 1 2 3 4 12 union 13 17, y union 13 17. Part 2, y union x 1 2 3 4 12 union 2 3 5 7 11 13 17, 1 2 3 4 12 13 17 is your y union x. 1 2 3 4 12 union 3 17, y union 13 17. X union x intersection y 2 3 5 7 11 13 intersection 1 2 3 12 intersection y 2 3 12. Question number 3. If x equal 5, y equal z set of integers and f equal o positive, o stand for odd number, then x union y, o union z, z equal y, x union t, phi union odd number, odd positive equal to t, y union t equal z set of integer unit set of odd equal z positive equal to y. X intersection y, phi intersection z positive, this answer is phi. X intersection t, phi intersection odd number, the answer of 5. Question number 4. If union x bar x member natural number and 3 less than x less than equal to 25, x bar x is prime and less than 8 and 8 less than x and less than 25, and y equal x bar x less than w and 4 less than equal to less than equal to 17, find the value of x union y whole complement equal u minus x union y. X union y, the x union y, the answer is 4 5 6 7 16 17 19 23. X union y complement 4 5 6 7, the value of u, subtract the value of x union y, and we get the answer 18 20 21 22 24 and 25. Part 2, x complement intersection y complement. Now x complement equal u minus x, u subtract x, the value of u 4 5 6 7 24 and 25, 11 13 17 19 and 23, 4 5 6 7 18 19 10 12 14 15 16 18 20 21 22 24 and 25. Y complement u minus y, the value of u and the value of y, we get the answer y complement. And question number 3, y intersection x intersection y complement equal u minus x intersection y. X intersection y, the value of x and the value of y, we get the answer 11 13 17, and x intersection y complement, the value of u 4 5 6 7 and till 25, 11 13 17, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 14 15 18 20 21 22 24 and 25. Y complement equal union u minus y, u यूनियन से यूनिवर्सल u minus y subtract u subtract y. For 5 the value of u and the value of y, we get the answer 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. y complement equal u minus y, u minus y. बेटा वही हमारा जो है आंसर हम फाइंड हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट exercise 5.1 question number 6, if a equal n and b equal w, then find the value of a minus b, b minus a equal natural number and b equal whole number, a minus b equal natural number minus whole number equal 5 set. Second, b minus a equal w minus n, w stand for whole number and n stand for natural number. The answer, we get the answer 0. Exercise 5.2 question number 3, if u equal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, a equal 1 3 5 7 9, b equal 2 3 5 7, then verify De Morgan law. A intersection b equal to a complement union b complement and a union b whole complement equal a complement intersection b complement. Solution, left hand side, a complement union b complement u minus a intersection b 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 minus 1 3 5 7 9 intersection 2 3 5 7 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 minus 3 5 7 1 2 4 6 8 9 10 is your answer. And the right hand side, a complement union b complement u minus a u union u minus b 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 minus union की वैल्यू b 1 3 5 7 9 and we get the answer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 2 3 5 7. And part b, a union b whole complement equal a complement intersection b complement. Left hand side, a complement union b complement u minus a union b equal a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 minus 1 3 5 7 9 intersection 2 3 5 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 minus 1 2 3 5 7 9. We get the answer 4 6 8 9 and 10. Right hand side, a complement intersection b complement u minus a intersection u minus b. The value of a 1 2 3 10 minus the value of a 1 3 5 7 9 intersection 1 2 3 till 10 2 3 5 7 2 4 6 8 10 intersection 1 4 6 8 9 and 10. We get the answer 4 6 8 9 10. And the question number 4, exercise 5.2 if u equal 1 2 3 till 20, x equal 1 3 7 9 15 18 20 and y equal 1 3 5 17, then show that x minus y equal x intersection y complement. Solution, left hand side, x intersection y complement, the value of x 1 3 5 7 9 15 18 20 and intersection u minus y 1 2 5 7 9 15 18 20 intersection 1 2 3 till 20 minus 1 3 5 17 1 3 5 7 9 15 18 20 intersection 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 and 20. We get the answer 18 and 20. From 1 and 2 we have left hand side equal right hand side, hence proved. Part 2, solution, x minus y minus x equal y intersection x complement. Left hand side y minus x, the value of y and the value of x, when we subtract the value from the value of y, we get the answer 5 11 13 and 17. Right hand side y intersection x complement, first of all we solve the x complement. y intersection u minus x, u में से u the value of u उसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे x की वैल्यू तो हमारे पास कंप्लीमेंट फाइंड हो जाएगा. 135 till 17 इंटरसेक्शन 13 till 20 minus 135 7 9 15 18 20. 135 17 intersection 2 4 5 6 8 10 11 12 13 14 16 19 एंड इंटरसेक्शन. बेटा इंटरसेक्शन में हमने जो है कॉमन वर्ड लेने होते हैं. 5 11 13 17 इज योर आंसर. फ्रॉम 1 and 2 वी हैव लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड हैज प्रूव्ड. Exercise 4.3. Exercise 5.3. If u equal n, the verified De Morgan law by using a equal phi and b equal p. P stand for prime number. U equal n, n equal natural number. A equal phi, phi equal to empty set, and b equal p, p equal to prime number. B equal to prime number. Left hand side b minus a, the value of b and the value of a. When we subtract the value we get the answer 248. Right hand side b intersection a complement b intersection u minus a, the value of b 2 3 4 5 8 intersection 2 1 2 3 4 till 10 and minus the value of a 1 3 5 7 and 9. 2 3 4 5 8 intersection 2 4 6 8, we get the answer intersection common value 248. From 1 and 2 we have left hand side equal to right hand side. 3 5 1 3 5 7 over 9 and the part 3 a union b whole complement equal a complement intersection b complement. Left hand side a union b whole complement 1 2 3 4 till 10 and 1 3 5 7 9 union 2 3 4 5 8 1 2 3 4 till 10 minus 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 6 and 10 is your answer. When the value is subtract from the value of a we get the answer 6 and 10. Right hand side equal a complement intersection b complement u minus a intersection u minus b. 1 2 3 4 10 minus 1 3 5 7 9 intersection 1 2 3 4 till 10 and minus 2 3 4 5 8. 2 4 6 8 10 intersection 1 6 10 6 and 10 the common and the intersection of 6 and 10 a intersection b. From 1 and 2 we have left hand side equal right hand side, hence proved. Exercise 5.3 part 6. b minus a whole complement equal b complement union a. Left hand side equal b minus a whole complement. u minus b minus a 1 2 3 4 the value of u minus the value of b and the value of a. The value of u and the value of b and a. 2 3 4 5 8 and 1 3 5 7 9. And we subtract the value from the value of b, we get the answer 248 and 1 3 1 2 3 4 till 10 minus 248. 248 की वैल्यू लेस कर दें बेटा. 1 3 4 5 6 9 10. राइट हैंड साइड b complement intersection a u minus b equal union a. The value of u and the value of b and the value of a. 1 3 5 7 9 as 9 10 as it is, and the value of u 1 3 5 7 9. We get the answer union 1 3 5 7 9 10. From a and 1 and 2 we have left hand side. Left hand side, the value. Exercise 5.4. If a equal ab, b equal and a if a equal ab and 5 equal cd, then find a multiplied by b and b multiplied by a. Solution: a equal a multiplied by b and b equal c multiplied by d. A multiply b, ab multiply cd, ac and ad, bc and bd. B multiply by a, cd multiply by ab, ca multiply by cb, da multiply by db. da multiply by db. If a equals 0 to 4, b equal minus 1, 3, then find a multiply by b, b multiply by a, and a multiply by b, b multiply by b. The value of a and the value of b. A multiply by b. 0 to 4 multiply minus 1, 3. 0 multiply 0, 1. 0, 3. 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 1, 4, 3. b multiply by a, minus 1, 3 multiply 0, 2, 4. Minus 1 multiply by 0, minus 1 multiply by 2, minus 1 multiply by 4. 3 multiply by 0, 3 multiply by 2, 3 multiply by 4. Question number 3. Find a and b if a minus 4, 6 minus 2 equal 2 and 1. Solution: a minus 4 equal 2 and b minus 2 equal 1. a इक्वल बेटा ये माइनस 4 है, इधर जाके प्लस 4 हो जाएगा. 2 प्लस 4 a इक्वल 6, b माइनस 2 इक्वल 1, b इक्वल 1 प्लस 2, 1 प्लस 2 इक्वल 3. 2a प्लस 5, 3 and 7, b minus 4. The solution: 2a plus 5 equal 7, 3 equal b minus 4. 2a plus 5 है, इस साइड पर जाके बेटा माइनस 5 हो जाएगा. 2a equal 7 minus 5, 2a equal 12, 7 minus 5. And a equal 12 over 2, 2 6 is 12, a equal 6. b equal 3 equal b minus 4, b equal 4 plus 3, b equal 7. The value of part 3 exercise 5.4 question 1 part 3. 3 minus 2a, b minus 1 minus a minus 7, 2b plus 5. 3 minus 2a equal a minus 7 and b minus 1 equal 2b plus 5. Minus 2a minus a minus 7 minus 3 equal b minus 2b equal 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. And the question number 4. Find the sets x and y if x multiplied by y, a, b, a, c, a, d, a. Solution: x multiplied by y, a, b, a, c, a and d, a. A multiplied by b, a, b, a multiplied by c, a multiplied by d, a multiplied by a multiplied by a and a multiplied by a, b, c, d and y equal a. Question number 5. If x equal a, b, c and 7 equal d, e, then find the number of elements in x multiplied by y. Solution: since set x has 3 elements and set y has 2 elements, and product x multiplied by y has 3 multiplied by 2, 3 2s are 6. Y multiplied by x, since set has y has 2 elements and set has 3 elements, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 3s are 6. And the exercise 5.5. The question number 1. If L equal ABC, M equal 3 4, then find two binary relations of L multiplied by M and M multiplied by L. L equal ABC 3 4, L multiplied by M, ABC multiplied 3 by 4, A3 A4 B3 B4 C3 C4. Then raw 1 A3 B4 C3, range 2 A, range 1 range 2 A4 B3 C4, 3A 3B 3C 4A 4B 4C. Here range 1 3A 4A 4C and range 2 3B 4C. Question number 2. If y equal minus 2 1 2, then make two binary relation for x multiplied by y. Also find their domain and range. Y equal minus 2 1 2, y multiplied by y, minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, minus 2 multiplied by 1, minus 2 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by minus 2, 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 2, and 2 multiplied by minus 2, 2 multiplied by 1, and 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 2. Range 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 2. Range 1, minus 2, 1, 2, and range डोम से डोम रेंज 1 माइनस 2 1 2. बेटा सेम होगी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इफ एल इक्वल ए बी सी एंड एम इक्वल डी ई एफ जी देन फाइंड टू बाइनरी रिलेशंस इन ईच एल मल्टीप्लाई बाय एल एंड एल मल्टीप्लाई बाय एम एंड एम मल्टीप्लाई बाय एम. एल मल्टीप्लाई बाय एल, एल इक्वल ए बी सी. नाउ एल मल्टीप्लाई बाय एल, ए बी सी मल्टीप्लाई बाय ए बी सी. डबल ए बी ए सी, ए बी ए सी, बी ए बी बी सी एंड सी बी सी. रेंज 1 ए, रेंज 2 ए बी एंड सी बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पार्ट 2. एल मल्टीप्लाई बाय एम, द वैल्यू ऑफ एल ए बी सी, द वैल्यू ऑफ एम डी ई एफ जी मल्टीप्लाई बाय ए बी सी. नाउ एल मल्टीप्लाई बाय एम, A B C D E F G, A D multiply by A E multiply by A F multiply by A G, B D multiply B E multiply B F multiply B G, multiply C D multiply C E multiply C F multiply C G. Range 1 A D B F and range 2 B E B G C D and C E. And part 3 m equal d e f g. Now m multiply by m, d e f g multiply by d e f g, d multiply by d, d multiply by e, d multiply by f, d multiply by g, and e multiply by d, e multiply by e, e multiply by f, and e multiply by g, g multiply by d, g multiply by e, g multiply by f, g multiply by g, g multiply by g. The question number 4. If set M has 5 elements, then find the number of binary relations in M. Number of elements in M equal 5. Number of elements in M equal 5. Number of elements M multiply by M. 2 multiply by 2. 5 multiply by 5. 5 5 is 25. 2 power 25. If L equal x bar x member n and x less than equal to 5, M equal y bar y member p prime number and y less than 10, these make the following relations from L to M. Range 1 xy and y less than x, R2 xy and y equal to x, R3 xy x plus y equal 6, R4 xy y minus x equal to, R1 xy y less than x, R1 x bar x member n and x less than equal to 5. Thus L equal 1 2 3 4 5 and M equal y bar y member p prime number and y less than 10. Thus M the value of 2 3 5 7. Now L multiply by M 1 2 3 4 5 and the value of M 2 3 5 7. 1 2 1 3 1 5 1 7 2 2 2 2 3 2 5 2 7 3 2 3 3 3 5 3 7 4 2 4 3 4 5 4 7 5 2 5 3 5 5 and 5 7. The part 2. X multiplied by y and y equal to x. Range 2. 2 multiplied by 2 2 2 3 3 and 5 5. R2 range 2 2 3 and 5 and range 2 2 3 and 5. R3 xy x plus y equals 6, R3 1 5 3 3 R2 and DOM R3 1 3 4 range 3 5 3 2. Range 4 xy bar y minus x equal to R4 equal 1 3 3 5 5 7. Range 4 1 3 5. Range 4 3 5 7. 3 5 7. Question number 6. Indicate relations into functions. 1 1 functions in 1 to 1, onto functions and objective functions from the following. Also find their domain and the range. Range R1 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 DOM 1 2 3 4 and range 1 2 3 R2 1 2 2 1 3 4 3 5 range 2 1 2 3 range 1 2 4 5 R3 BA CA DA रेंज 3 बी सी डी एंड रेंज 3 क्या आ जाएगी इसमें डॉम रेंज R3 बी सी डी एंड रेंज A. The question number 4 range 4 1 1 2 3 3 4 5 4 DOM R4 equal 1 2 3 4 5 and range 4 1 3 4 and the question number range 6 the value of 1 2 2 3 1 3 3 4 DOM R6 1 2 3 DOM R6 2 3 4 R equal 7 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 P Q R S 1 the value 1 and 1 value of P and 1 value of R. Note to Q R1 R2 P R and S. The value of R's are 8 1 C 3 A and 7 B and 7 B. A relation is complete. Now we have completed our unit number 5. Make sure practice at your home. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.